Ah, shit. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, damn.
And yeah, for the YouTube. Despicably lazy. So hey, morning. It is Monday. And today, well, I'm gonna go to my auto class as I usually do. So yeah, I will see you, and I'm back after class. So today, actually did some stuff. Class went well. We did fix some things. We also figured out something. So yay! But anyhow, now we actually need. We are actually going to go and. Or now I went to CVS. So after class, I actually stayed a long time because I felt like it. I also needed to practice something because I have a test on Wednesday, which hopefully goes well. But yeah, so I had that, practice that, then I stayed just to hang out and help one of my classmates with his car because he was fixing something. And now I'm just gonna go, and then I went to CVS because I ran out of toothpaste. And now I'm actually going back home, so I'll see you back at home. So guess what I did? Well, I fell asleep again. But I didn't actually sleep that much today. I only slept about an hour, so that's good. So I didn't sleep from 1 to 4. I slept from 3 to 4. Yeah, about. So that's significantly better. So yeah, now I'm gonna eat food, and I'm not really sure what I'm gonna make. So yeah, I am back, and I have now made food, and I have made an omelet, as you can see. So yeah, morning. Today is Tuesday, and well, it is after my auto class. I forgot to film this morning, like I sometimes do. But yeah, today went well. We got a lot of stuff done today, actually. And then, so yeah, that's fun. I'm not waiting for my yoga class, so I will see you after that. Oh hey, I'm back after yoga. That was nice. I needed that. So yeah. So yeah, I'll see you back at home for the usual. So hey, so guess what? None of the teachers are there. Or the teacher that I'm supposed to practice with is not there because his class is canceled. For what reason, I have no idea. But so never mind that then. So when I get back home, I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos then. But anyway, so now instead of that, I'll see you after acting class, like always. So here, I am back after class. And I didn't actually perform today because I performed on Thursday. I didn't have to go today. I'm gonna have to go on Thursday though. But we'll figure it out. So I will see you home. So yeah, I have just been at home chilling a bit. And I'm actually now gonna go pick up my car because oops. I kind of forgot. I kind of forgot because when I walked home, so I took my car this morning because reasons. And when I walked back from yoga, I kind of forgot my car key. I want to go have acting class. So my car is parked over by the other building. So yeah, I'll see you there, and after I'll go to Target because I need to buy some lunch. So I'm back after a while. And yeah, I forgot to film, but I bought stuff at Target, then came home, then ate leftovers. I ate just part of the omelet that was left over from yesterday. So yeah, that was good. But now I will see you tomorrow because I'm really tired, or I'm really I really need to sleep. Oh, hey, morning. It is Tuesday. No, it's Wednesday. Never mind. I don't know what day it is. But so today I was gonna do a test, but I didn't have to do it. So yay. So right now I'm actually waiting because we're gonna have a car club meeting later today at like 12, and it's currently 9, or it's currently 9:30. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wait here for a bit. But yeah, and after that I'm gonna go to, and then I'm gonna go to an event on campus. And then I'm gonna go do things if the weather is correct, or if the weather does something, which I want it to. So yeah, I will see you before the club meeting or after it. We'll see. It is now raining. So yeah, seems like the Swedish weather has come here.
I tried, but I'm waiting for a response.
So hey, and I'm back after the school event. So yeah, that was fun. But I'm now actually gonna go surf because it's raining, or kind of. So yeah, I am that type of Swede. So yeah, I will see you down on the beach. Oh, and that event, it was international students, so it was just a Thanksgiving lunch. So that was actually really fun. So yeah.
Well, I don't need to shower when I get back home. Just stand on the beach when I get done. It's getting bumpy now. That's what I get for not waxing my board. I wiggle around like a drunk person. officially dead. Crap. Ah, shit. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. I didn't want to ride that vacuum. I didn't want to catch that vacuum.
back. And that was very fun. Unfortunately, I forget how dark it actually gets here now. How early it does. So yeah. Anyway, now I will see you back. Oh hey. So if you wonder what happened yesterday, I came home, got tired, I washed everything, and then I fell asleep. Because I was really tired. And but anyway, so today is Thursday, and today I have auto class as always, but I overslept, which is a bit oops. So I will see you after class. I've forgotten to film a little bit, but yeah, it's after my yoga and also the shower and change back at home and food. Oops. But yeah, now I'm gonna have acting class. So yeah, I'll see you soon. So hey, and it's acting class. Yay, I did my scene well actually. So that was fun. But yeah, now I'm gonna go home. So yeah, I'll see you back. I have just been at home doing not much, but yeah. So I've just eaten dinner. I just left some leftovers. What? I just ate some leftovers. And then so yeah, now I'm gonna go to sleep. So I'll see you tomorrow. So, hey, morning. It is Friday, and today I'm actually gonna go meet up a family friend up in LA, or up in Santa Monica. So yeah, I will see you over there.
I'm not sure if you know.
So I'm just letting you know, if you come from property, you gotta take it down, and I'm dragging it back.
And yeah, there you go. I'm here down in Santa Monica, and it was fun. So yeah, I will now see you later. So yeah, hey, I will see you now back in HB. So yeah, am I gonna drive by somewhere? We'll see. So hey, I am back after quite a while. I have just been at home doing not much of anything, and also sleeping a bit because of reasons. So yeah, but now I'm actually gonna go and meet some friends. We're gonna go hang out at somebody's place. So yeah, I'll see you over there. So yeah, we're here now, and we gonna off-road soon.
What am I gonna do with my baby? It's like,
Oh, you're Riley.
yeah.
For the YouTube. I'm gonna clickbait the shit out of this one. Xavier, hello.
The exterior is faster than the Fiesta, by the way.
Oh yeah, hey, and I'm back, and we decided to then go to In-N-Out and eat food. So yeah. So now I'm almost immediately gonna go to sleep because I am kind of tired. I'm gonna do something early tomorrow again. So yeah. So hey, morning. It is Saturday. Well, today I'm actually gonna do something fun. I'm gonna go to a rallycross event and drive my 86 there. So yeah, it is kind of far away, and I'm gone out of my place really late. So yeah, I will see you there. I am back. I finally arrived, and yeah, I'm gonna drive. I've done a lap already, but I'm gonna do another one. Then I'm gonna strap this thing on, and you can actually see what happens. So yeah, I'll be back in a sec. yeah, that run with the GoPro kind of failed because my GoPro decided to take a dip. But I'm actually thinking about going and buying another one because the good one that I had is somewhere. I don't fucking know. What the hell is that? So yeah. But I'm now gonna go grab food and some other stuff. So yeah, I will see you in a bit. I guess I get up first. Yeah, lunch over, and I had some sushi from Cedar Bros. And yeah, I'm on the starting grid again. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. So hey, back. Couple of runs left. Well, I said I can't use my GoPro. I might try and jerry rig it again. We'll see. But yeah, I will see you in a bit.
Can I get my $20 back?
Oh. I can give it to.
And yeah, now they're gonna bracket race. So I'll film a little bit of it. So yeah, I'll see you later. What happened? Did he stall it?
He must have stalled it.
Yeah, I am now done. Everything's done. The bracket race was fun. I didn't participate because I was not yet confident in my abilities to drive, you know, that thing on dirt. But yeah, it was fun. So yeah, now I'm going to see you back in Huntington, which is going to be a long drive because it's rush hour. And I'm going to have to drive to LA. That's going to be very fun. So I'll see you. Good morning. Good morning. There's morning somewhere in the world. No, good afternoon. It is Sunday, and well, it is currently 1 o'clock. But I woke up at like 9. But I have just been doing nothing productive because, well, it's a Sunday, and I had a pretty tiring day yesterday. Oh, by the way, when I came home, I just straight fell asleep because I was really tired. Both from the racing and also the driving back, because 2 hours, because traffic. Because I went back in rush hour, which I probably should have thought about, but anyway. So yeah, today I've just been doing schoolwork of stuff. I done a quiz that I got 80 out of 80 on after like 6 attempts. And then now I'm gonna do one about another class, and then I'm gonna do stuff. But first I'm gonna eat lunch because I haven't eaten lunch yet because I've done schoolwork. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. I'll figure out what I'm gonna make first of all. I am back after doing schoolwork, and now I'm actually gonna clean this floor. And yes, I have not put back the island for a week. I have been despicably lazy. But yeah. I'm gonna clean this floor now. I'm gonna put the island back where it is, or it belongs, which is here. So yeah, I will see you in a bit. Yeah, and there you go. Now I'm just gonna wait for this floor to dry a bit. I didn't get it that wet, so yeah, I will see you in a bit. And I'm back here again, and I just consumed some pasta and some sausage for dinner because I'm a crazy person. But anyway, so yeah, and I'm once again sitting here. So this week was really fun, honestly. Schoolwork went alright. It went like it usually is. Normal. Nothing stressed, as far as I remember, anyway. My acting class went really well, actually, which I'm surprised by. And yeah. And of course, I did a lot of things this weekend, actually. I did first hung out on Friday with a friend group. We went off-roading. That was really fun. Didn't film much of that though because shenanigans happened. And then of course I went rallying yesterday, which was really fun. And sadly my good GoPro mount during that kind of went into the shadow realm. It kind of no-clipped into the back rooms. I have no idea where it went. I remember I had it in my hand when I went to the Best Buy, but after that it just disappeared, so I don't know. I'm gonna buy a new one. But anyway, so yeah, and today of course I did nothing because tired and also lazy. But yeah, if you want to follow these vlogs, they are supposed to be uploaded somewhere regularly. My upload schedule as of late has gone to shite. We don't talk about that, but so yeah, that's important. It is why it's important that you subscribe and also hit the notification bell, so that you get actual notifications when I upload stuff. And also follow my Instagram that is linked in the description for any other shenanigans, memes, or behind the scenes stuff that I might do. And also leave a like and a comment for the algorithm. So yeah, I will see you.